volunteering for this excellent weekend work of flying something very much older. DC-3 Dakota, we were talking about how the Dakota got its name earlier. C-47 in America, by far the most widely used military transport in history. The US Army Air Force took delivery of the first C-47 in 1938. Military production, more than 10,000 of these aeroplanes. Extraordinary. Many other countries built them under license, including the Li-2, 2,700 of them built in the Soviet Union. Wheels still down, the tail wheel at the back, two main wheels under the wings. Last Dakota built in May 1946, with a total production of more than 18,000 of these aeroplanes.